Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get any tweaked app that you would like. There are so many of them. I'm just going to scroll to the website real quick so you guys can see how it works. If you want to go to it, it's called tweakville.co. It's called Tweakville. You can get any app on here. Right now I have Snapchat++. You can only get one app at a time, but they're super easy to install. And I'm going to go through the installation process for you guys so you can see how it's done. See, Snapchat++ is right here, but there are so many more apps that you're able to download, and more come out each day. So you can, upload it every day and check for whichever one you want. There's jailbreaks, TikTok, Temple Run, everything you can imagine. So, I have Snapchat++ right here. I'll to show you how it works. I mean, I just go into it and get into my My Eyes Only, and it's hacked just like that. It's one of the tweaked apps that you can get on this website. I'm going to show you guys how to install any single one of them. There are a few steps you have to take before you install them. But it's really, really simple. So for iOS users, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Settings, and then you go to General, and then Background App Refresh. Background App Refresh again. This might be disabled for some people if your phone is on low power mode. So just take your phone off low power mode, go to Background App Refresh, and then you want to hit Wi-Fi and cellular data. Make sure that's enabled, because that's really the only way this is going to work. You need to validify that this is enabled, or else this process will not work for you. So I'm just using Snapchat as an example. You can use any one of these apps, but I'm just going to run through Snapchat with you guys since I already have it. So once you get to this website, this is where Android, you're just going to hop in. You type in tweakville.co, and you find which app you want to get. It's very simple. Just click on it, and let me find Snapchat. So I'm going to click on Snapchat, and it's going to tell you that you have to inject it. So just hit Start Injection. And it should say injecting, downloading whatever app you're using. In my case, it's Snapchat. And what it's doing right now, when it injects, it's going to tell your App Store or Google Store that it needs to hide the code behind other apps. Meaning, for whatever app you download, it's like the App Store is obviously not going to let you download a hacked app or anything like that. So you have to download other base model apps to build the code to go into one app, if that makes sense. So it's hiding it behind other apps that you need to download. So after this injection process, it's going to bring you to something that says missing files required, which is just saying that you need to download a few other apps. So just hit continue, and it's going to say you're looking for available apps. Now, whatever apps are on here may vary from your country, your device, your location, whatever it may be. In my case, the first one I have here is Zynga Poker. So what we're going to have to do is download this app, run it for 30 seconds, and that'll be the first app that we need to download. And then we go back to this, and it gives us another app to download. You have to do that about 4 or 5 times before you can get the hacked app. So you download 4 or 5 of these regular apps, and then it brings the hacked app onto your phone right there. So we're going to download a few of these. I'm not going to go through them entirely because I already have the hacked app that I want, but I'm just going to show you guys how it's done. So we hit Get App, and we hit Continue, and we just follow any instructions that are on the screen. So for the first app that you download, it's going to tell you to search the App Store and then find the name and then just download it. So in our case, we have to search in Poker, and then we have to find Zynga Poker. So we're going to hit Search App Store. We're going to type in Poker. I'm sorry about the bad camera angle. And we find Zynga Poker, download it, boom, simple as that. So we have to download it and run it for at least 30 seconds. That's the only way it's going to register that we've downloaded the app, but it's very, very easy. You just do that with about 4 or 5 of them, and that's all it takes to get any hacked app you want. Now, the reason we have to go through each process like this, I know it's a bit tedious, but it's because if you don't, there's actually no way to get it on the App Store, because they will get revoked. This is the only way to get it without revoke. You can keep the app forever. So after you download it, just open it up. You don't have to press anything. Just make sure you run it for 30 seconds. It's the only way it'll work. So I already have the app, so I'm not going to run it for 30 seconds just for time's sake for the video. So after you downloaded, ran the app for 30 seconds, whatever app it may be, you want to go back into your browser, whichever one you're using. Go back to your default tab where you originally downloaded it, and you're going to hit Next App. I know it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but so It's going to give you another app that you have to download, so just hit let's go. And this time it should take you right to the App Store after you hit continue, instead of having to search for it and everything. There we go. So then we just hit the download button. And again, you open it, run it for 30 seconds. But for time purposes, I'm not going to because I already have the app. But that's all you have to do, guys. And yeah, let's hit green continue. You don't have to press anything. I'm just doing it for fun. Shits and giggles, right? Get out, and then, you know, I have my Snapchat icon. So after about 4 or 5 of those, that's where your icon or your app should appear on your home screen right there. Again, you just go back to your original tab and hit next app. It should be done within 4 or 5 apps. If not, just keep going with the apps or try to retry it. Like type in tweakville.co and try the installation process again. Some apps actually do get revoked on the website itself, not by the App Store. So if that app doesn't work, try another one. You know, there's Cash App Plus Plus, so I'll try that. You know, start injection, and then download the apps from there. But other than that, that's all you have to do to get any hacked app you want, right on that website right there, guys. So if you ever need a hacked app, you want to go to tweakville.co, and then just remember, before you download one of these apps, you got to go to your settings, make sure Wi-Fi and cellular data is enabled for background app refresh, and make sure your phone is not in low power mode. That's all you have to do, guys, to get any tweaked app you would like. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, leave a comment. You know, if you have any questions, concerns, subscribe if you want to see some more content like this. And if it did not work for you, just try to go through it one more time. Do another app, you know, whatever works for you. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.